Today we're going to do a product introduction, and this product is made by BEA. BEA is one of the world's foremost producers of access control equipment. They're headquartered over in Belgium, and over here in the United States they're in one of the suburbs of Pittsburgh. We've been associated with them for years and years and years, and they do a good job for us. The product that we're going to talk about today has a part number of 10MS11S. In easy terms, comes in a nice little white box like this. I'll take it out and we'll show it to you. We put it in a child-proof box, which makes it adult-proof also. Okay, here's the switch, and it is a wired switch, so this will require wire running between the box that you put this in and the operator. And they call it a magic switch, and so I'm not Houdini, but I'll try to put this in the best terms possible. There are some situations where you don't want to physically touch a switch to open a door, close a door, turn on a light, or what have you. So all you have to do is wave your hand in front of this, and it sends out a microwave signal, and it detects your hand and closes the relay. As long as you're within 24 inches, it will detect you. And it's real handy. It's designed to mount in a box. It's fully sealed so that when it is mounted and properly sealed around, it's good for an outdoor application. We call it NEMA 4. Stands for National Electrical Manufacturers Association, and that's the spec for waterproof. So it's does a real good job. Comes with screws hold together, and the most important thing, and I want to make sure you know and understand this, these are the directions. There's no saying when all else fails, read the directions. My suggestion is when you get the material in, open the box, read the directions and follow them. Our people are well trained on this product, so if you get in trouble putting it together, by all means get us on the phone. If we can't help you, BEA maintains a very good tech support section over there in Pittsburgh, and we can get you over there and get you some help. So if this is what you need, come get it. We got them, and I know you'll like it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video from NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com. Please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make content like this. Thank you.